Here I have a white noise and sunrise alarm clock. Now, the alarm clock itself is plastic with the speaker here on the back, but there is a slight bit of grippy, uh, rough material right on the front here with a screen. The bottom here has grooves, nothing too crazy, so that way it doesn't go sliding around too much. You can feel the slight resistance here. You have the USB charging and input 5V in the back here. Here I have the cord it comes with, USB-C. You just plug it in for it to start. Right now it's saying 12:04 Monday, and it has 2 alarm clocks. Here's the sounds. Here's are some of the sounds of the alarm clock. Yeah, so there you go. And then here is the sunrise brightening. Oh, sorry, I have it really dimmed. There we go. You can control the brightness of the alarm clock as well. So yeah, there you go. This was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.